Black color. Yellow color. And green color. I draw capital letter A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Let's paint green color. A for alligator. D for dolphin. You guess next alphabet. Next letter is G. G for grapes. J for jelly. M for monkey. P for pig. S for snail. W for watch. Next letter is Z. Z for zebra. Yellow color. B for broccoli. F for flower. H for horse. L for line. Q for queen. U for unicorn. V for violin. Next letter is X. X for xylophone. Red color. C for cow. E for elephant. I for ice cream. K for kite. N for nest. O for octopus. R for rainbow. T for tiger. Y for yogurt. Let's repeat learn. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope to like my videos. So please like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.